How can I stop the flickering of LED lights on a dimmer switch?
Flickering LED lights on a dimmer switch can be a common issue. In this video, we'll discuss the causes and provide solutions to help you stop the flickering.
Why do LED lights flicker on a dimmer switch?
LED lights can flicker on a dimmer switch for various reasons, including 1. Compatibility issues. The dimmer switch might not be compatible with the LED light. 2. Low-quality LED lights. Poor quality LED lights may not work well with dimmer switches. 3. Incorrect wiring. Issues with the wiring can cause flickering.
How can I find a compatible dimmer switch for my LED lights?
To find a compatible dimmer switch for your LED lights, you should 1. Check the LED light packaging. Look for information on the packaging or the manufacturer's website to see if the LED light is dimmable and compatible with specific dimmer models. 2. Choose a dimmer switch designed for LED lights. Some dimmer switches are specifically designed for LED lights, which can minimize flickering.
How can I ensure my LED lights are of good quality?
To ensure that your LED lights are of good quality, you should 1. Purchase from reputable brands. Look for well-known and reliable brands when purchasing LED lights. 2. Check customer reviews. Read customer reviews to see if others have experienced flickering issues with the LED lights.
How can I check and fix wiring issues?
To check and fix wiring issues that may cause flickering LED lights, you can 1. Turn off the power. Always turn off the power to the dimmer switch before working on any wiring. 2. Inspect the wiring. Check the wiring connections and ensure that they are properly connected and secure. 3. Consult a professional. If you are unsure about the wiring or are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a professional electrician. By finding a compatible dimmer switch, ensuring the quality of your LED lights, and checking for wiring issues, you can stop your LED lights from flickering on a dimmer switch. Remember to always work safely and consult a professional if needed.